this is our Morales display. The exterior portion of it is laminate in their Novella color. It has a really soft feel, and it feels a lot different than most laminates that you would see. We've partnered it up with Richelieu handles, and we've also done curios in Morales as well, which are has the ability to be lit up, and so it just really adds a stunning centerpiece to it. We, over here on the island, we chose the Seven Lacquer in Sea Feather. We stuck with a slab door, and again partnering it up with the Richelieu handles. Both the island and the perimeter have silestone calico gold. That just gives it an overall finished look with a waterfall edge. In our sink, in our workstation, we have the galley. This is a 4-foot display that comes complete with a dry dock. It basically allows your center part to be a complete workstation that can do it all. You can cut, you can cover, you can hide, you can fully entertain with it from prep to finish. This is a display that has to be seen in person. The pictures don't do it justice, and the curios really top it all off. Come down to Sumo and have a look, and come talk to one of the kitchen specialists.